Xuancheng Zhiwen Handicraft Company Limited, is located in Xuancheng City, Anhui Province, which takes 3 hours driving car from Shanghai and adjacent to Suzhou City and Hangzhou City. Factory is professional in integrating the design, development, and production of home decoration scented candles since 2004 and export candles for more than 50 countries around the world. Factory covers an area of 10,000 square meters and output is 3,000 tons wax a year. Factory pay high attention to quality, timely delivery, and competitive pricing for each global value customer. And OEM candle production is Factory's strong part. You can customize the candle with your private logo and brand. Factory's designers can help you to do your own designs and create unique, well-designed products which highlight current trends and provide competitive value to customers. Factory has the strictly quality control policy. The QC department is the independent department in Factory and strictly inspects the goods from the raw material, semi-finished articles, to finished products. All candles in house tests can meet the prototype and standards of different countries, and so do the regulations. Factory has passions and conscientious to make every single candle to be more competitive in the world market. Factory has the fullest candle production range. You can have one-stop candle purchasing with Zhiwen Factory. Factory team offers service for 24 hours, 365 days. Welcome to visit us at any time.
Hi dear customers, my name is Ayer and I am the product manager of Xuancheng Zhiwen Handicrafted Company Limited. Our company is a professional candle manufacturer that specializes in making candles for 16 years. You will be sure benefit from our rich candle making experience. If you are still questioning whether we can be a good candle supplier, just contact us today to get your answer.